The house of cards is going to tumble down. And perhaps within the next 90 days, it's entirely possible to see hyperinflation of the US dollar and Bitcoin go from $28,000 as it is today to $1 million per coin. Basically, the Bitcoin is the life raft. It is the only true escape from a hyperinflationary collapse of the US dollar. What's the likelihood of it actually happening? And then the other one is, if it actually happens, what should you prepare for? And what does that indicate about the current state of our economy in the world?
Understand the context that Bitcoin was founded upon. It was launched in 2008, 2009, after the first global financial crisis in 2008. The context of Bitcoin being launched in 2008, 2009 is kind of a response to the first global financial crisis. I think now we're seeing the true purpose and people are taking notice.
Do I think Bitcoin can hit $1 million in 90 days? I wouldn't put a single dollar on that bet. I don't think it's going to happen. I believe Bitcoin's going to $1 million. I just don't think it's happening that fast. What we're going to have to see for that to happen is really big money coming in. We're talking institutional money, ridiculous, huge jumps in numbers. So it would have to be like something really significant that drives people for that to happen. And then you have the entire market cap of Bitcoin sitting at
20 trillion. You say inevitably, yes, Bitcoin will go there.
Yeah.
But in 90 days, hell no. No, I want you to answer. Because you seem like you have a different perspective than Patrick.
Yeah.
What does $1 million at that point even buy you? So that's where I'm going with it. I'm picturing wheelbarrows full of cash, which have happened in other countries. The Weimar Republic is really the simplest answer. Could that happen? Absolutely, because we've seen hyperinflation happen before, and it happens very, very quickly. That's why they call it hyper. And it's really just it's a manic behavior of people. We're losing total confidence in the currency. And as soon as they get it in their hands, they rush to buy and convert it to something else that has value. That's where those pictures of currency in a wheelbarrow, we get that from.
If the commodities exchange and the derivatives fail and the banking fraud is exposed, then yes, overnight, I could see that.
Those of us that study the dynamics are like, which one's going to go up at a higher rate going forward? That's really what investing is all about. Yeah. Part of being prepared is being ready for various scenarios. And we all feel prepared because we have exposure to gold, silver, and crypto amongst all of us, so that if either one of them take off compared to anything else, we're prepared and we're not scared.